Is it worth switching from a conventional keyboard to a Corne keyboard? Should you, or do you need to use a keyboard like this? No, you don't need to, but if you can, you should. As a software developer, after a week using my Corne, I can say it was a lot of fun, but very challenging during the first few days. I've always been used to using shortcuts, but having all the keys so close to the home row made everything easier. However, on the first day, I could even type my computer password. Typing on an ortholinear keyboard wasn't the hardest part, on the contrary. Within a few minutes, I found it much easier than on a conventional keyboard, but memorizing numbers and symbols was a bit complicated. By the third day, I was already familiar with it. After getting used to typing, figuring out where the symbols are, and testing different layouts, I'm loving using the Corn for my daily routine. Inevitably, it's impossible to completely leave the conventional keyboard behind. I enjoy gaming on the computer, and it's a bit tricky to do that with the Corn. The Corn solves many issues I found in anyone with conventional keyboards, like the pink finger, where you often have to press many keys with it, one of the weakest fingers with less coordination for me. With the Corne, fuse keys are replaced by the thumb, or for example, brackets and braces are now easily accessible with my ring finger. Since Corne is a split keyboard, it also significantly improves your posture, mainly by keeping the arms separated, preventing the shoulders from hunching forward. For me, who has had it in the knees in the past and occasionally with shoulder pain, I feel a great improvements after this week using the Corne. Another thing I love, though can't be done with various keyboard, is being able to control the mouse from the keyboard. Of course, for simple tasks, but it's been very good and very practical. This way, I needed to move my arms much less during the day. I spend a good part of my day doing web development, and for simple clicks during tests, I end up using the keyboard to control the mouse. Well, in conclusion, you don't need to switch to this. A conventional keyboard gets the job done, but if you are enthusiast like me, a keyboard collector, passionate about technology, or enjoy trying new things, using a keyboard like this is a great experience.